So have you seen the new Canva release for their quick create collection feature? I'm so excited to share this with you. I'm going to share my screen, give you a step-by-step walkthrough to create these cool quick create collection. But also things change. Things change so quickly on the platform. Today is August 9th, 2022. So this is how it looks as of today. Obviously, Canva can change and all that good stuff. But just to give you the idea of what we're looking at. So let me get my screen pulled up here to share that with you. And let's see when it shows. Let's see. Okay, I think it's sharing my screen. So on Canva, move my buttons here so I can show you all the cool stuff. So on Canva, we have just the home screen here. And if you go to the search bar, so under the search bar, there's the button here for social media. This has been the quickest way I found it. So here under the social media, there is this under popular. So right now it's under popular. Who knows how long it'll stay here, but right now it's under popular. So we're going to click get started on this quick create collection. Now, so first you get to choose which ones you need. So I'm going to be making graphics for my upcoming $1 Million Map live workshop. So the platforms I'm going to be sharing this about, I'm going to do an Instagram square post. I'm going to be doing stories about it. I'm going to do Facebook posts. I think I'll need a Facebook cover for the event. Not super big on Twitter. I haven't been playing with Pinterest. Maybe I should, but this is probably too short of a time frame to really be useful on Pinterest. Anyhow, I am going to share it on my email, and I'm going to be sharing it with LinkedIn. So I'm choosing 6 of the 8, and then you do this purple button over here to continue. And now, next thing we're going to do here is we're going to add in our message. So like I said, this is my $1 Million Map live workshop. And it says that's too many characters. I think that'll work. If I need to, I can take out live. And then for my sub headline, I'm going to put the date. So this is going to be Wednesday, August whatever Wednesday is. August 17th, 20. Okay, so there we've got the date for our sub headline. And then I'm going to click continue. I don't know. Are you guys loving this? This is like so easy. Subscribe, show me that you love it. So you can see more cool stuff like this. Okay, so now it's going to take us to the adding a image and your logo. So for the image, I'm going to, let's see, let me upload I don't mind all of my folders here. Where is it? I'm going to just upload my little workshop ticket here as my image. And you can see it kind of over here on the side. And then I'm also going to add in my logo for social media snapshots and click continue. So now that since I added an image, it removed all the templates that don't have images. So you can see these are all the choices that I have for the templates. And you can also see that my image looks pretty lame in most of them. There's a couple that might work. So when I played with this, really didn't find an image for this that really worked. So didn't really love the image. So what since I was gonna like, oh, we'll try a different one, and it didn't work. So but I did want to show you now, since I didn't like this with the image, I can just go back to step number 3. And all I have to do is click on this image again, and it will take it off. So that's really quick. So it took me a minute. I'm like, how do I get rid of the image? And it just was letting. So it was simple. Just click on the image to put it on, and click on it to take it off. So super easy to do, to correct that or to change it if I want to try a different image. But yeah, I didn't find anything I like. So now I'm going to go back to clicking continue. So again, this is all, so instead of taking out all the ones without an image, it take out all the templates that do have an image. So now these are just templates that don't have images. So from here, you can go through and choose the one that you like best. If you guys, so I like this one, so I'm going to click on this one with the little, just simple, and I like that one. So I'm going to click on that one. I don't know, tell me in the comments, which templates do you like best? And they're kind of cool if you have different preferences. So you can look at geometric, you can look at elegant. Looks like they have a couple for each style, category they call them. So this is simple. The one I like is organic. They also have fun and modern. So those are the template choices. I do like this one that's considered organic. And then we click continue again. So easy, right? This is so easy. So now that I click continue on a specific template, it's showing me there's my Instagram, my story, my Facebook post, my Facebook cover, and my email header, and the LinkedIn post. The other thing is it's showing you, so this is the palette. This is the original palette that it uses. And it shows you how you have the same vibe, the same colors, the same basic layout. But as you see, so the Instagram and the story ones, same color scheme, just different configuration as far as the dimensions of it. But on the Facebook post, it has the same color palette, but it just put them in a different way. And again, this Facebook header, the Facebook cover is different from the Facebook post. And it's also a little different, just the way the colors are from the Instagram post. And let's see, so you can see it's the same basic layout, but it just changes the colors. So the other thing you can do is you're like, well, I don't really like how it put those colors together. So if you click on the palette, is that right? No, that doesn't do it. Okay, so but these aren't my colors. These aren't my brand colors. It doesn't match my logo. So you can choose from your brand kit, you can choose your own palette. So you can see I have several palettes from different projects that I'm working on or have done, but I'm going to just stick to my primary brand palette. And so these are the colors that I get. So the other cool thing here is now that I have my colors, like I like this one, how it's got the light thing, but this one looks kind of weird with all the dark colors on there. So you can, the cool thing you can do is you can click this little shuffle button, and it will shuffle through different, just what it's going to put where. So if I really wanted to focus on the orange color here, I can do that. I can keep shuffling. This one I think is a little better, just a lighter one. So I'm going to stick to that one, but I can keep shuffling and it'll keep switching things up. So that's really cool to do. And so this is the one I like. And then, so that's our colors. And the next little tab over here is our fonts. So this is the font that the original design came with. This, oh, I can't even pronounce that. Maharalika? Sure, let's go with that. But I can also choose my brand fonts right here, which I'm going to do. So, because I like, I want to stay on brand as much as possible. So, but if you don't have brand fonts chosen, or you want to do something different. I also like how they show here the different, they have different fonts. And so this is just the same one, but you can get some good font combinations as well. So, okay, that one didn't want to play. Okay, so bad thing about recording on Zoom is, and doing these things, is sometimes it doesn't want to move. It kind of frees your computer up. So hopefully it comes back quickly. But the point is that you can see you can scroll down and you can see some of the different font combinations. But I'm going to stick to my brand fonts. Same idea too, when you're looking at the colors. So, I mean, it's got its original palette, which is nice if that's your thing. I have all of my palettes, but then it has all these other palettes. So if you're worried about your colors not matching, or just, you know, wanting to make sure you have, they look good. I've heard, I think it's the Funnel Gorgeous Girls, they call it, when you have all different colors and they don't match, they call it a like Franken funnel. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, so just so you don't have like this weird mesh, you can choose one of their palettes as well. So I have my color palette, I have my brand fonts, and then I click finish here, and it's going to save it, and it saves it to a nice little folder. So you can download it, it'll download it in a zip file, but I just want to see it so you guys can see what it looks like. So it'll make it, puts it in project, it makes it its own little folder within your projects. So all of your images are right here. It says this is the image I looked at, so that I put that in the folder as well. And so now I have this really cool, collection, and it took me, I don't know how long I've been recording, but not very long. So it was really easy. The design was simple. They did the hard work. I know I'm happy with it. But then also, if I want to go in and just make a few tweaks, so I can go into this LinkedIn post, and just personally, I would, like, the workshop is down here by itself. I would rather have the live workshop. I just think that looks better. I think it makes more sense. So I can make quick changes like that. I can, if I want this font to be a little bit bigger, I can jump in and just adjust the font. Even if I would rather, I don't know, if I wanted to just change the colors a little bit within the palette and I want to focus more on the blues, I can switch this one out. But I can make these really simple adjustments without having to redesign the whole thing. So that is so quick and easy. It's a great tool that Canva has given us. It might not be perfect. It's not great for everything, but it is another resource that we have to make really quick graphics for social media. It's awesome that we can have our branded colors, we can have our branded fonts, we can add our logo, and it can do the design work for us. It's easy peasy. Great way to, keep your social media stress-free, tame the social media monster. Now, if you're interested in trying out Canva Pro, if you haven't tried it yet, I will share a link down in the description where you can have a 30-day trial for free. Is an affiliate link, helps me to provide awesome content for you. And also I'll put a link in there for that $1 Million Workshop in case you want to check that out as well. And I am so grateful that you were here with us. Thank you for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye.